Hello! Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and thank you so much for being here today. If this is the first time on the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. And today, as the title suggests, I am going to be doing some unboxing of some Disney blind boxes. So a little context, I am currently in Orlando. Today is Friday. It's about 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 6:30, exactly the middle. And we are going to be heading to Epcot later today. But in the meantime, I picked up some blind back boxes yesterday when I was in the Magic Kingdom. And I thought while I'm in Orlando, it would be very fun to open them for you and open them for me because I'm excited. So I was going to open them at Magic Kingdom yesterday. However, I don't know if it's just me, but the music was incredibly loud there when I was there yesterday. So I didn't necessarily want to try and film. I don't have a mic set that works yet. The mic set that I bought, terrible sound quality, and I didn't want to risk it. So hope you don't mind. I'm in my hotel room and we can go ahead and open some boxes. So the boxes that I'm going to open today are the Kingdom of Cute blind boxes. They have 8 pins in the series, and each box has 2 mystery pins inside of them. And this is a little different than the Box Lunch and Hot Topic and Loungefly boxes. Those boxes only have 1 pin per box. The Disney boxes have 2 pins per box. This retails for $19.99, as you can see there. But I am an annual pass holder, so I do get 20% off. So let us get started. I suppose let's talk about which ones I would love. I would love the Dole Whip and, is that a gargoyle? Dumbo's cute, Space Mountain is cute, the boat's cute. I feel like, can someone tell me which one that is? There's the teacups, there's a boat, there's a Dole Whip, there's Space Mountain, there's the sword from, what is that called? Merlin's in it. I'm blanking on the name. There's a little gargoyle. I'm gonna guess that that is Hunchback of Notre Dame. Correct me if I'm wrong. But this is Kingdom of Cute, so I don't know where that is in Magic Kingdom. Anyway, then there's Dumbo and this little car guy. So let us open. I'm gonna open them from the bottom. And like I said, 2 pins per box, and they come in these little blind baggies. So let us see what box number 1 has. Oh, am I gonna be able to open this without scissors? Oh no. I don't know how I would have done that in Magic Kingdom. And look at that, I got a little Dole Whip. Oh, it's so cute. Well, now I'm happy because I got the one that I wanted. So that is adorable, perfect first one. Let's see what the second one is. And it is the sword. These are pretty decent sized pins too. Come on, focus. There you go. And yeah, they're pretty cute. Dole Whip and sword, pretty good start. So let's open up the second box. I did only get 4 boxes because like I said, that there are 8 pins in the set, and if I open all 4, I have 8 chances, but that means that if we get a double, I am not going to collect the entire set. I don't recommend doing this at home, biting it with your teeth, but it's all I've got because I am in a hotel room with no access to scissors. Oh, and our first double is the sword. So no possibility of collecting the whole set. That's a little disappointing, but that's okay. Let's see what this next one is. Oh, and it's Dumbo. Oh, he's so cute. The little ride. Come on, focus. So cute. I like his little hat. Okay, on to box number 3. I don't know why I did it like that. Oh, let's open this guy up. And I got the little car guy thingy. Please comment down below, what is this from? What ride? Is it, it's not the gondolas. What is he? I need to know. It's not tomorrow. Let me know. And I got Space Mountain. Oh, he's so cute too. Oh, adorable. Okay, last box. Let's see what we get. Crossed, fingers crossed. And we got another Dumbo. He's still cute though. Okay. I think this is another double too. Just by feeling it, I'm a cheater. Yeah, it's the ship thing, or it's the ride too. Well, that's a bummer. So we got 3 doubles. So we got a double, 2 doubles, or a double of the sword, double of the Dumbos, double of the cars, and then we got Space Mountain and the Dole Whip, which frankly, these 4 actually are probably the ones that I really wanted. So that's okay. I am missing now the boat, the teacup would have been cute too. So the teacup, the boat, and the gargoyle is all I am missing now. If you want to trade with me, feel free to, my Instagram is linked down below. Feel free to message me, DM me, and I would love to trade with you. So if you have any of these and you want one of the doubles, I've got, again, Dumbo, a double of the car, and a double of the sword. Let me know. I would love to trade. And without further ado, thank you so much for watching. And if you like some of these videos, please subscribe, comment down below. Like, notification bell, all the fun jazz. I would love to be friends. I post a lot of Disney content. I do also post reading content and just general lifestyle, you know, vlogs and stuff. It's kind of what I want to post. And I would love to share it with like-minded individuals like you. So thank you so much for being here. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.